I finally received this N95 equivalent filtering stuff so I can build a better mask. Before I received the material, I already made another mask. The main thing is I try to test, see how big the intake and the exhaust need to be. This is made from a mouse pad. It is still neoprene kind of material, soft material, but it gives me a better design, looks better a little bit. And I use MERV 13 filter to cover up the hole. I try to do an exhaust here with a tightly sealed mask. When I put it on, it takes a lot more effort to breathe. With the N95, now I'm going to make this hole bigger.
The caps of these plastic bottles are good candidates for the filter holder. Eventually, I selected the cap of the detergent bottle because it's the biggest. It is the one in purple color and it has a hole size of 1.75 inches, while the others are 1.25 inch in diameter. It is very easy to modify the detergent cap. This edge is rough, therefore I cut a small piece of plastic from the milk jug to cover it up. This time I used the plastic bag from Amazon to make my mask. I like to recycle stuff and also it's easy to work with. I downloaded the template from this place. After I have cut the plastic bag into the shape of a mask, then I tape it together and tried it. It was a little bit too big. I did minor adjustment. I have experimented making an exhale valve and I decided not to use it here because a fully made exhale valve is very dangerous, allow the air to leak into the mask. I cut 2 rectangular pieces of plastic from the milk jug. I modified a small sheet of foam, which is a packaging material, and I will use it to create padding on the top part of the mask. I cut the neck of the bottle and used that part to hold the filter in place. It is still too tall. I'm going to trim it. I cut 2 circular pieces from a paper towel. I cut the circular filter from the vacuum bag. Firstly, I placed the paper towel and then I put the filter. I did a marking on the filter so that I know which side should be facing my mouth. And I put another layer of paper towel. I cut a circular ring from a milk jug before I screw the top into the cap. I cover up the breathing hole with a sheet of plastic and trying to figure out where the air leak would be. It turned out that right near by the nose, the air coming in, and also at the lower part of the jaw. By tightening the lower strap, the air doesn't leak in from the lower jaw, but then still air coming in near the nose. I tape the nose clip onto the mask. I have to adjust the mask and the nose clip. You can see the filter moving in and out when I breathe. I bought this filter 6 weeks ago on eBay. It has the similar filtration characteristics as the N95 filters. It has 3 layers. If I cut the back open, I can see it's 17 inches by 24 inches, and it can fit about 47 replaceable filters, and that means it cost me 10 cents per filter. To cost optimize the design, the surface area of the filter is much smaller than the N95 mask you can buy in the open market. It is good enough for me to go shopping with, but not good enough for doing more strenuous exercise. My last design uses MERV 13 filter. If you can cut that filter into the same size as this design, it should be able to fit into the same filter holding slot. Now my design reaches MERV 16 level. This is the definition of a medical or surgical mask. Credit should go to this site. This design provided better filtration and also attempted to provide better fit to minimize air leakage. This is the reason why I did not include an exhale valve, because a poorly made exhale valve is not safe to the user. Obviously, the look of this design is not good enough for my daughter and my wife. Therefore, I will be working on another design, which will be a modification to the one that I can buy from the market. It will be in June before I can get hold of those masks. If you find this interesting, please stay tuned and subscribe so you will be notified when my next design is available for you to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.